Hey everybody, it's Carrie with From Seed to Spoon. I am super excited to announce one of our most exciting updates ever. This is something we've been dreaming about since the beginning of Seed to Spoon, since we first created it. We have always wanted this feature, and I am so excited to announce the updates to Growbot. So how many times have you been out in the garden and you see a plant and you're like, oh no, what in the world is this? Or if you see a bug out there and you don't know if it's a pest or if it's one that you want to keep and encourage in your garden, or if you just see something wrong with your plant, if it's wilty or the leaves are curling, now you can simply just snap a picture of the plant or the bug and send it up to Growbot. And Growbot will help you identify what is going on or what it is, and also give you tips and tricks for how to handle it as well. So all you need to do to access this is on the very main screen at the top. You can tap either Identify Plant, Plant Help, or Identify Bug, and it will take you directly into your camera to take a picture. Or you can tap the Growbot icon at the very bottom of the app, and it will take you into Growbot. So you can type a question in there, or you can add a photo directly from in there and ask your question. So no more wondering and guessing what is going on. You now have a new garden best friend right there in your pocket. So make sure to download our From Seed to Spoon app today, so that way you can get started with identifying all of your plants and your pests and all of your plant issues.